One of the most important ways to take care of your heart is by paying attention to how you're fueling your body. For today's Healthy Eats, Jackie is getting some insight from a registered dietitian on how to create a heart-healthy eating plan.
Hey guys, it's Jackie, and I'm here today with registered dietitian Laura Field, and we are talking today about heart-healthy foods. And I think a good place to start would be just discussing why it's important to incorporate these foods into our diet that have cardiovascular benefits.
Sure, it's a big preventative thing. Even if you don't have high cholesterol or any kind of heart disease risk, heart-healthy foods are important for all. Making sure we're getting enough fiber in our diet, omega-3 fatty acids to combat inflammation.
And so you've got some foods here that are great for heart health, a lot of different foods. Let's just talk through what some of them are.
Sure.
And what those cardiovascular benefits are.
Of course. So replacing our saturated fats with unsaturated fats is a way to help our heart. So saturated fats are in animal proteins. We think of butter and meat.
Yes.
But unsaturated fats are actually cardioprotective, like olive oil or safflower oil or olives or also avocados. Avocados are a rich source of monounsaturated fats.
And then what do we have here? We've got some grains.
When we think about cardioprotective, we think about high fiber. Things that are rich in fiber actually bind to cholesterol and help take it out of the body. So things like whole grains, farro or barley or quinoa, oats.
What do we have over here? Some beans?
Beans again are also a source of fiber. Quick cooking lentils or canned or dried beans, or even a lot of these gluten-free pastas nowadays are exclusively with beans and are a wonderful source of protein and fiber.
Finally, we have some nuts and seeds over here.
So when we talk about heart health, omega-3 fatty acids come to mind. Things like flax seeds, chia seeds, nuts. These are great sources of fiber, and also omega-3s, helpful for inflammatory processes. These are great things to incorporate as a snack or just even into meals.
Okay, so it's important to look for foods with omega-3s because they help reduce inflammation, which helps with
cardioprotective.
Perfect. All of these have great cardiovascular benefits, but when it comes to heart health, portion size is important.
Right. So Jackie, more is not necessarily better, especially when it comes to fats. 1/8 of an avocado is a serving. So when you think about, watching our portions of these heart healthy things will help maintain weight and also manage cholesterol.
You have a recipe we're going to do today that incorporates some of this.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some mango chia bites, incorporating omega-3 rich chia. Well, first, Jackie, I like to take frozen mango, so cubed in perfect bite-sized pieces. Take a toothpick and gently push the toothpick in the mango. I have some Greek yogurt here. Pop that mango in, and then we're gonna dip it gently in the chia seeds just to get enough to coat the bottom. And then I like to put these in the freezer right away so they solidify.
Yeah.
And then you can keep them in the freezer until you're ready to eat them.
So I think the takeaway here is that there's a lot of easy ways to incorporate heart-healthy foods, and it's very important for our long-term health that we do so.
Fiber is one thing that's really important, and omega-3s when we think about heart health in general. And it's not just about lowering our cholesterol, it's also about preventing future disease.
All right, thank you so much. And if you're making heart-healthy foods, we want to see what you're making. Post on Instagram and tag us at Living Healthy TV.
Hey, did you like that and you want more Living Healthy content? It's easy. Just check out these videos right here.